Believe it or not, this Instagram carousel was made without designing anything manually. Yep, zero design skills, zero stress. I just used a super powerful prompt and generated a full carousel in minutes. Sounds crazy? Stick with me, because this might completely change how you create content. All right, let me show you how this works. So basically, I created a long, structured prompt specifically for making Instagram carousels. Don't worry, you don't have to write it yourself. I've already shared it on my website. You can find the link in the video description. At first glance, the prompt looks scary and super long, but trust me, using it is actually very simple. You only need to fill in a few parts. First, let's talk about the title. This is simply the main headline of your carousel. In my case, I went with Top 5 Anime with the Biggest Fan Base. Next is the target, or audience. This part helps shape the overall look and vibe of the carousel. I filled mine with anime lovers, so the design and tone match that audience. After that, there's the niche. This defines the category of your content. Business, education, health, entertainment, literally anything. For this example, I chose entertainment. Then we move on to the number of slides. Here, you just need to estimate how many content slides you'll need and then add 2 more, one for the intro and one for the outro. I decided to use 7 slides in total, 1 intro slide, 5 content slides, and 1 closing slide. Now for the aspect ratio. I personally use 4:5 because it works best on Instagram, but you're free to use any other ratio that Instagram recommends. And finally, there's the text per slide section. If you already have your own text for each slide, you can just paste it in here. But if you don't have any ideas yet, that's totally fine. Just leave it empty and the prompt will automatically generate the text for you. Nice and simple, right? Once everything is filled out, you're basically ready to go. At this point, all you need to do is copy the entire prompt, open your browser, head over to Google Gemini, paste the prompt, and hit send. After that, Gemini will instantly generate image-ready prompts for Nano Banana Pro based on the number of slides you selected. Now let's move on to step 2, generating the carousel images. After Gemini gives you all the prompts, you simply copy them. They'll stay in your clipboard, so you don't need to keep going back and forth. Next, open a new chat inside Gemini and make sure the Create Images feature is selected, the one with the banana icon. To be honest, I sometimes forget this step, but Gemini usually understands that I want to generate images anyway. From there, you just paste the prompt for the first slide, hit send, and wait a few seconds. And just like that, your first carousel slide is done. And it already looks amazing. All that's left is repeating the same process for the remaining slides. Once they're all generated, download the images, add your logo or username if you want, and your carousel is ready to be posted on Instagram. So yeah, no Photoshop, no Canva, no design skills, just smart prompts. If you want to create eye-catching Instagram carousels in minutes, check the prompt link in the description. Try it once, and trust me, you won't go back.